Look, I was living in the United States for 17 years, and I was able to come back to the Dominican Republic with a digital business because I decided to take the risk and actually believe that this was something possible for me that you can also do. Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. My name is Isaura Abreu, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you how much was my first payment on YouTube and how much has one of my videos or few of my videos made, so that hopefully maybe you can get inspired to start on YouTube as soon as possible. Back in 2022, I started my YouTube channel talking about everything and anything. I started talking about my medical delivery carrier experience because I used to be a medical delivery driver for a company there in New York City. I was an independent contractor, and I was filming my daily life. I was to be a medical delivery carrier, and because I saw that those videos were taking a lot of views and stuff, I decided to just record my daily life, right? And then I did it on YouTube. Why did I start a YouTube? Well, let me tell you something. I was in my era of becoming a minimalist and live a frugal lifestyle because I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck with no money in my account, and I needed ways to make extra money. So I started researching on YouTube, right? The university, free university for everybody that's looking to learn a skill. If you didn't know, now you know. So I was like, you know what? Let me go on YouTube and see. There was a lot of, well, there's still a whole bunch of stuff on how you can make money online, but I follow an advice that a YouTuber gave me a long time ago in one of his videos that I was watching. I don't even remember. I think his name is Mike, something like that. But he said in one of his videos, of the many hundreds of videos I watch, that never do what they tell you to do, do what they're doing. So what was everybody doing that they were actually not telling you to do? They were on YouTube. So I started researching how people were making money on YouTube, because I know some people just make YouTube as fun, but others are making a living off of YouTube. So I was like, let me practice this advice and let me start watching people how they make money on YouTube, watching videos like that and tutorials to see how I can do the same thing. Remember, back in 2022 when I started all of this, I was working. I didn't have a business of my own. I wasn't making money off social media, but I would say if they're doing it, I can do it too, because that is the power of you trusting your own self. You have everything you need to be successful. It's just that you are doubting. You cannot doubt yourself. It's like believing in God. You cannot see it, but you know it's there and you know it exists. So the same thing has to be the power within yourself. It's there. You don't see it, but you have to trust it. That's all. So I was like, if they're doing YouTube, if they're living off of YouTube, I can do the same thing. And because my mindset was changing, I was learning a lot about frugality, learning about minimalism, cutting my expenses, because I was determined on what I wanted to do, which was finishing my house in the Dominican Republic, right? And living off of social media. I wanted to build a business around social media where I didn't have to go 47,000 hours a month to a job working for somebody else's dream. I wanted to build my own dream. So guess what? I started on YouTube. I didn't have money for a professional camera. I didn't have a microphone. I didn't have nothing. I just had my phone. So guess what? I started recording my daily life on my phone, just like I am doing right now, on my phone, with no microphone, nothing, just myself, my story, and you guys. That's it. And that's what you can do too. So to make the story short, I started on YouTube. Those videos took off because I was talking about a topic that nobody was really talking about. People were going around those topics and never going straight to the point. So I went straight to the point, sharing my daily life. That's it. I didn't know back then that medical delivery carrier was a topic of trending topic, right? Because everybody wanted to work in medical delivery carrier. So guess what? My video took off. I remember that I started making around $1,000. I would be posting it right here, like $1,000 every single month from those videos, taking so many views. And I was shocked because I tried so many ways to see what I was gonna do to make money online, and it was right there in front of my eye, and I never saw the opportunity coming. Why? Because we are too preoccupied in other things, when in reality what you need to do might be in front of you and you don't even realize it. So when I saw that I was able to make $1,000 in YouTube for around 4 to 6 months, I say, what else can I do? You don't make money only on the partner program with YouTube. You can actually make money from YouTube in so many ways, because remember, people are listening to you. If you are providing good value, they will stay with you. And if you have a service outside of YouTube, you can sell it as well. And that is the power that social media and YouTube has, that you don't only make money directly with the platform, but you can also make money of the service that you are providing. So that was a mind blowing for me. That was crazy. Back then I didn't know all the things I know now. For example, I have built digital businesses around learning credit. Credit is the skill that I know right now. I'm a pro on credit, how to fix credit, how to do all of that for Spanish people, because I saw that the information was missing in the Spanish community. So I try to, have all of that I needed to be able to provide services as a credit specialist. And that's what I do. I pack all of that in digital products, and I'm able to have an online business where in social media like Instagrams and TikTok, I share with people all about credit. And they buy my digital guide, they buy my consultations, they go into my communities, my paid community, and I make a living off of that. I have an online business. And it's like so crazy for me to say that, because I never thought it was gonna be that fast. Because I started on 2022, and then all these ideas started coming, and then I put that together with digital products and building myself online. And then I was like, okay, so if you have a skill and you go on social media, your potential to become rich is even higher. Because I can go on social media just to blog my daily life, but when you go on social media and you have a skill that you can share, and it could be actually anything. So if you're there looking at me right now and you don't know what skill you do have a skill. If you're a single mom and you stay at home mom, whatever you are right now, that's your starting point. Share your life. And it's not only YouTube that's paying the back. Facebook is paying the back too. I just recently discovered that Facebook has this monetization program where they unblock it for you once they see your consistency on you sharing reels on Facebook, and they give so much money. Like the bag is on Facebook and YouTube for long term, Facebook for quick money. People making $20,000, $15,000, $40,000 a month. What? People are making a ton of money online. And if you are gonna stay behind just consuming content and not actually being the content creator, we have a problem. And we have a problem right now. You want to know where I'm at right now? I'm going to show you where I'm at right now, so to see if maybe you get a little bit inspired, because that's what I'm here to do, inspire you every single day. Let me show you. I'm in my 2025 Isuzu D-Max that I bought off of working online. $60,000 I gave for this truck, cash. Where the heck I was gonna get that money? Working for $60,000 a year in the United States, plus all the taxes that I had to pay, plus all the... Never. Take the freaking risk. You got this. Where am I right now? Let me show you, in case you don't know. I'm in the Dominican Republic. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. I was able to move to the Dominican Republic Because guess what? I work online so I could take my business wherever I go. That's something you can do as well. And before I forget, what skills do you have? Share your daily life. If you know about taxes, share about taxes. If you know how to cook, share your recipes. If you know tricks on how to babies learn better how to walk, share that with social media. If you are struggling in life, share your struggles, because you don't know who else in the other side of the screen is going through that. But by you motivating people on how you stay strong, you are helping them. So there is a lot of stuff that you can do blogging about, my dear, and you don't know if you're gonna land in a very nice collaboration with a brand that loves you and pays you maybe $3,000 a month for you to share their products. You understand what I'm saying? Stop being scared. Scared of what? We have been around people that are bad with us, employees that don't love us, that we care so much for them and they don't give a F about us. So why you don't start caring for yourself when I'm telling you that you can actually live off of content creation and learning a skill? And it's so easy to learn skills nowadays, so there's no excuses for you. So I'm just here sharing with you. It's hot here in DR. In the Dominican Republic, it's always hot. So yes, I came to do my hair because today I have meetings with my people in my membership where I teach credit in Spanish, and I try to be cute every Friday when I have orientation with them. But that's not the topic right now. The topic is that I need you to go get your phone and start sharing the freaking content on Facebook and on YouTube. Please do it for yourself. You can build generational wealth if you start now. Use what you have. Don't be pressured because the other one is using the best camera ever. My phone is what I used to record. I don't even have my microphone right now, so you're probably gonna hear me lagging or whatever. I don't care. I'll post the content anyways. So what is this all about? About you starting to post the freaking content. Find other content creators that inspire you. Look how I was living in the United States for 17 years, and I was able to come back to the Dominican Republic with a digital business because I decided to take the risk and actually believe that this was something possible for me that you can also do. So do me a favor. Do me a favor and start your journey, because it's not late. You can start now. And with this being said, I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe because notification activated so that you don't miss a video. And I hope you take the necessary steps to start your journey. Isaura, your credit specialist, was here. Soon we'll be making some membership so that you guys can join as well. And if you want to learn about credit and take it as a skill to make money just like I'm doing, and with all the other opportunities that social media has, you can grow as well. Thank you so much. I love you all. You have a wonderful rest of the day.